Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your go to channel for the latest updates on upcoming smartphones. Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors swirling around Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra camera upgrades. Set to launch in January 2025, this flagship device promises groundbreaking advancements in mobile photography. Stick around as we unravel the details and speculate on whether it will outshine its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Join us as we delve into the exciting details of Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and explore how its camera prowess might surpass that of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Setting new standards in smartphone photography. Samsung has consistently led the way in revolutionizing smartphone photography. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's impressive 200-megapixel primary sensor and innovative 50-megapixel periscope camera raised the bar. But what can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system? Exclusive insights into the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera. Insider information from reliable sources like Universe has revealed exciting details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera setup. Contrary to previous speculation, the S25 Ultra will retain its quad rear camera configuration, featuring the remarkable 200-megapixel main camera and the versatile 50-megapixel 5x camera. Moreover, significant improvements are expected in the ultra-wide sensor and 3x camera, enhancing the photography experience. Rumored enhancements, such as a potential 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and an upgraded 3x shooter, promise to take the photography experience to new heights. Improved low-light performance, advanced portrait capabilities, and seamless hybrid zoom functionality are designed to position the S25 Ultra as a standout among leading camera phones. Introducing innovative features. Exciting leaks hint at the inclusion of a groundbreaking 50-megapixel variable telephoto camera capable of delivering impressive 4x or 7x zoom, offering users unparalleled versatility. Additionally, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, the S25 Ultra promises enhanced AI capabilities and optimized battery performance for a seamless user experience. Unleashing innovation with the Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25 is generating buzz among tech enthusiasts, promising a host of exciting upgrades that redefine the smartphone experience. One standout feature: the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, known for its lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking prowess. But before we dive into details, let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is the Galaxy S25. Decoding the pricing puzzle. Whispers in the tech world suggest a potential premium price tag for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This news has sparked discussions about the affordability of flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 or the upcoming OnePlus 13. The burning question: will these innovations come at a price that aligns with consumer expectations? Unveiling the surge in Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip prices. Insider insights hint at a significant increase in the cost of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, labeled as model number SM8750. This development has even led a leading phone maker to rethink their Pro model for this year. The mystery surrounding this decision adds intrigue to the evolving narrative of technological progress and market dynamics. Navigating the cost-feature conundrum. As developers grapple with potential price hikes, they face critical decisions. Should they pass on increased costs to consumers, potentially impacting accessibility? Or should they consider feature compromises or alternative chipsets to maintain competitive pricing? Balancing performance and affordability remains a key challenge in this dynamic landscape. Unveiling the power of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Despite cost challenges, the The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip promises a significant performance boost. Early indicators suggest it may rival Apple's top-tier chips, setting a new standard for mobile computing power. Consumer acceptance of these advancements, despite potential premiums, will ultimately shape the future of smartphones. Clarifying initial speculations. Initially, there were rumors swirling about Samsung potentially shifting from a quad-camera setup to a triple-camera configuration for the S25 Ultra. However, reliable sources like IceUniverse have clarified and brought more clarity to these speculations, paving the way for more exciting details, revealing intriguing camera insights. Recent updates from IceUniverse have unveiled captivating details about the S25 Ultra's camera capabilities. There are whispers of substantial upgrades to the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, potentially incorporating state-of-the-art 50MP sensors. Exploring potential improvements. Presently, the S25 Ultra features a 12MP sensor for its ultra-wide lens and a 10MP sensor for the telephoto lens. Should these speculated upgrades materialize, we can anticipate significant enhancements in low-light performance and overall image quality. Samsung's unwavering commitment to innovation. These potential camera enhancements underscore Samsung's enduring dedication to pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional, the S25 Ultra aims to elevate your visual storytelling experience. Elevating the photography journey. Empowered with advanced sensor technology and refined software algorithms, the S25 Ultra is poised to deliver stunning photos and videos, setting a new standard in smartphone camera capabilities. Anticipating enthusiastic reception. As we approach the launch of the S25 Ultra, excitement and anticipation continue to build. If IceUniverse's insights come to fruition, Samsung fans can expect a camera powerhouse that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's set the stage for this fascinating showdown between state-of-the-art technology and eternal wisdom. While it might seem unconventional to compare a sophisticated smartphone with a revered religious icon, we're diving into various dimensions to fairly evaluate both contenders. Get ready for a captivating exploration like never before. Introduction: a fusion of innovation and tradition. We begin by introducing the unique concept of comparing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with Jesus, highlighting the intriguing blend of innovation and tradition. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Unleashed. Explore the astounding features of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, including its stunning display, lightning-fast performance, and unmatched camera capabilities. It's a paradise for tech enthusiasts. Conclusion: we wrap up by summarizing the key points of our comparison, leaving you with deep insights on the harmonious integration of innovation and faith in our ever-evolving world. Outro: engage and explore. We invite you to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments and encourage you to subscribe for more thought-provoking comparisons. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious with future Phone Flash.